I have used the Insta360 X3 every day for the last 1 year, and in today's video I will show you the 5 best ways to mount this camera on your motorbike. I think we should all agree that 360 camera is the best camera to shoot all your motorcycle videos. I have been using the X3 for all my recent Instagram videos. All the accessories used will be in the description below. You can get multiple angles with just a single shot. The first and the easiest one would be the POV shot. For this shot you need a chin mount. I have been using the Blue Armor chin mount, which is the best mount for your action camera. With a J mount, of course. Just take your camera, attach it to the chin mount, and you are good to go. You always have the option to shoot either in 360 or switch to single lens mode to get that 170-degree standard action camera view. This is one of those shots which is used by all the motovloggers around the world to give your viewer a feel as they are the one riding. The second one is the handlebar shot. I have seen this one getting popular recently as this gives a different perspective of the rider. Attach the clamp mount to the handlebar. In my case, I have a ball mount from an old phone holder which I no longer use. If you don't have that, just attach the clamp mount to the handlebar or combine clamp mount and the invisible selfie stick and just start recording to get this kind of view for your next video. This will give your viewer a glimpse of you riding. The next shot is called the tail shot or the MotoGP angle. I have got a comment in the last video from Cine Vlogger on how to get this shot. For this one, you need to attach the clamp mount with the selfie stick to the rear foot peg and secure it with a zip tie. Extend it all the way, leaving the last one to avoid any shaky footages. This one will give you the infamous MotoGP angle, and you can always pan your video to something like this. Fourth one is called the epic lowrider shot. Now this one will really level up your video. But before that, if you have made it so far, consider subscribing to the channel as I am on a mission to make your motor journey easier, one video at a time. Now let's get back to the video. For the lowrider shot, just attach your clamp mount to the rear foot peg tightly and angle it towards the road. Just make sure not to lean so much that you damage the lens of the camera. With this one, you can show some close shots of the wheel, the road, and the world behind you. You can pan to the front to show those close foot movements. And the last one is the bar end shot. If you want to show those close hand movements, just mount your camera to the handlebar, choose your frame later in the Studio app or the 360 mobile app. This one can also be an addition to your next motorcycle videos. Well, as we all know that 360 camera is the best camera for all your motorcycle videos, and I hope you have learned some new ways to get the best shots out of your 360 for your next ride. Thank you for joining in today, and I would love to see some new ways or interesting shots from the 360. If you have any suggestion, do write down in the comments. Till then, ride hard and ride safe. And if you want to learn more about 360, watch this video here.